Payment screen overview and payment type setup. Press Pay button. Due total. Sales items. Total section. Customer name. Balance due. Amount tendered. Customer reward points. Add new customer. Back to sales screen. Credit card manual entry. This area displays your available payment methods. Go to Setup. Press Advanced button. Go to Payment. Choose a payment type to edit. Press Change button. Define the default number of receipts to print for each transaction. Open cash drawer. Yes or no. Refundable payment. Set button position. Store credit is allowed. Reward points is allowed. Only the enabled payment methods are displayed on the payment screen. Partial paid amount on here. Tap partial payment to void.